Are you tired of feeling stuck in your affiliate marketing efforts? Or maybe you're just getting started and don't know where to turn. Affiliate Masterclass has you covered. The problems you face in affiliate marketing, overwhelming information. With so many outdated methods out there, it's hard to know which strategies work in today's market. High barriers to entry. Most affiliate programs require you to have an email list, funnels, or products of your own.
But you don't need any of that.
Why you need Affiliate Masterclass? Affiliate Masterclass is the ultimate blueprint for success in affiliate marketing. With this course, you'll learn the right way to promote, discover how to find profitable affiliate products and promote them the right way, maximize your profits, learn how to make commissions of up to 100%. Yes, you can earn 100% commissions. Step-by-step guidance. Whether you're new or have been struggling, this course guides you from start to finish. Scale your business fast. Unlock the secrets that the top 1% of affiliates use to earn big. Ready to get started? Don't wait any longer. Get your instant access to Affiliate Masterclass now and unlock the secret to becoming a top 1% affiliate. Enroll in the Affiliate Masterclass today and start your journey to financial freedom.